So in today's video, I'm going to show you the best possible way you can white balance your image inside of the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So once we are in DaVinci here, the first thing that you're going to want to do is simply just click on the clip that you're going to be working on, and now come down here to the color page. So once we're here, go ahead and right click on your one node and come down here to gamma. Now we're just going to go up to linear and then come down here to our color wheels. So in here, what we need to do is come down here to Luma Mix in the bottom right and bring that down to 0. Now what we can do is simply just adjust our gain wheel right here, and this is only going to adjust color. So you can see our image is pretty green. So what we can do here is bring it up opposite, and that makes it quite a bit better. You can see if I turn that off and then back on, it really just helps to even out all of the colors, and it is just so simple to white balance your image and make things go much quicker to color grade the rest of your video. So if you like this, or maybe it was helpful, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.